Hello everyone, this is Mayank Sharma from Central University of Punjab, Bhatinda, and I will share something about the consequences of postpone of Summer Olympics 2020. There will be no Summer Olympics this July. The International Olympic Committee announced Tuesday that due to the coronavirus pandemic, the Tokyo Olympic Games will be postponed to 2021. The event was scheduled from July 24 to August 9. Here, I actually want to start back in 2013. There were three final bidding to host the 2020 Summer Olympics, that is Istanbul, Madrid and Tokyo. And finally, Tokyo bidding is final for 2020 Olympics. Why Tokyo? Because it was the country that were recovered from the disaster the Japan had in 2011 when there was a massive earthquake and tsunami which killed around 20,000 people. That's why the International Olympic Committee wants to give people something to look forward. Not only for this, Japan had the Olympics in 1964 and it was a great and successful event. Olympics 2020 were postponed on Tuesday to a date no later than summer 2021. Before that, the games were cancelled thrice in history, that is 1916, 1940 and 1944, due to the First and Second World War respectively. This is the first time that the Olympics have been cancelled or postponed due to the pandemic diseases, that is COVID-19, which threat the whole world, due to which over 16 lakhs people are suffered from this virus and over 1 lakh were died so far. Here I will share some consequences of postpone the Olympics 2020. There were a lot of consequences, but here I will share some of them. First, such a bad news for those athletes which can be participated in his last Olympics, like Justin Gatlin, Linden, Roger Federer, Serena Williams, and lots of more athletes. Second one, devastating impact on sports TV revenue. An estimation that postpone of Tokyo Olympic will loss of $2.7 billion, which is around 20,000 crore Indian rupees in ad revenue. Third one is tourism. A major contribution to recent Japanese growth could take a hit. Last year, Japan hosted 32 million foreign visitors who spent nearly 4.81 billion, trillion yen, that is around 2043 billion US dollar. Researchers said only lack of tourism will chip the GDP of Japan up to 0.2%. There is so much impact of COVID-19 to the Olympics 2020. This is all I have to share with you, friends. Thank you for hearing me. Stay home and stay safe.